So hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel if you're watching the Revkid. So today I've brought this thing out. I've taken this Interceptor out because you obviously can see it's super dirty. It
ठीक है समझ गया.
has been sitting for quite a long time now. So let's get it for a quick wash. Like there are two things I need to share with you guys. I don't know whether you can listen to my voice or not. The bike has become a bit louder, I guess. Anyway, there are two things that I need to share. One is a good thing and the other one is a bad thing. Let's share the good thing first. The thing is, I'll be going for a trip like in the next 2 days. So before I go for a trip, I need to get this thing washed, like super clean and shiny. And the bad thing is, yesterday I was driving the Aspire. I was near the Ultadanga bridge. I was standing in traffic like literally zero motion, and suddenly an idiot just rear-ends me. I mean, I don't know what he was doing, like busy on his phone or not, I don't know. Anyway, the car took quite a lot of damage. The trunk got damaged, the bumper came out, the side quarter panel was also damaged, even the light got damaged. So I took out this bike for two reasons. I just need to go and visit the workshop to check what is the status of the car, because previously I thought of taking the car for the trip, but now I think I need to take the bike, because the workshop guys said that it is going to take quite a lot of time to get things fixed. Look at this center. Look at this. Look at this. Driving like a maniac. The road is too slippery. Like, look at these idiots. I thought it would rain, but where are you in? That's why I put on the GoPro waterproof case. I thought it would rain, but there's like literally no sign of rain.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Oh, it's not
Everything you know is in your mind.
So one job is done. Let's go get this bike a quick wash. Give me some way, give me another way. A Volvo. I love Volvos. Volvos. Hello, buddy. Can I go left? Yes, of course. I love the Zen, the old generation Zen, not the Zen Estilo. Zen Estilo was a complete disaster. Free waterfall. Hey, shit. This bike doesn't feel like a Royal Enfield. This bike pulls like crazy, man, crazy. Finally at Moto wash. Happy kid. The bike is shining now. Thank you, Motocross. Now it's time to head back home. So that was all for today. That's all I had to show. See you guys in another vlog. Right after washing, this is my lap.